I've been looking for these for a while. So there's a couple of eBay sites, local-ish. They're in Dallas, 4 hours away. And then the other place I go to is Facebook Marketplace. So I had a standard search running for Mini Cooper seats, and these popped up a couple of days ago. They're out of a '02 Mini Cooper. Previous owner claims that he took them out within a year and put in different seats, and they're in great condition. So they're totally worth it. They're black with a silvery gray cloth, and there was only one coffee stain, so I believe them. The bolsters aren't worn, fabric isn't worn. They're in great shape. So if you have to clean something, you use this. Don't ask me why, but it works. It works on everything. So I clean the coffee stain off, wipe it down, hit it with a toothbrush, and then hit it with the shop vac to suck out all of the dirt. And then if you look really, really close, maybe you could see it right here. The little fuzzies sticking up. Watch this. Don't hold it too long, just move it across. Gone. Now the fuzzies are gone. Seats are clean, except where I touch them now. So I'm gonna have to wrap them, because, you know, they'll get filthy in the shop. And I'm not, as far as I know, we're gonna use them like they are. I looked long and hard for these things, and I got lucky when I found them. But these are the ones I was looking for. I wanted black and gray-ish. It's gray, but it's kind of shiny, sparkly silver. It's gonna look great. That way we only have 3 colors in the interior: black, gray, and the color of the paint. Exterior paint. I'm still not 100% sure what that color is going to be. It's changed a couple times, but that's no big deal. We're not painting yet. Once we paint it, then it's too late. We're not changing our minds anymore. So they fit, sort of. The back's a little high from where the stock seat would have been. You know, stock seat was like right here, height. So we're like an inch high in the back, but I don't think that's that big of a deal because of the way the seats formed. It'll cushion the tush, raise the legs, get you on the throttle. Seat backs are pretty much straight up and down, but you can't recline in a truck anyway. And then this one has the height adjustment where it'll raise the seat up. It's on its lowest setting right now. But I can't install them like that because the rails aren't fitting right. I got the rails all the way to the back so I can sit them in there and kind of get them positioned. But watch this. So the truck is level, more or less, because that's the way I leave it sit, level. So this ridge goes all the way to the back. If we go to the ridge and level it out, we are right on top of this roll. So if I cut this roll, this is my mark, cut that roll all the way to here, then I could collapse this down and actually use part of this for my seat. It's a big step. Option 2 is put something on top, then the seat's going to be kinked like this, and the back's going to be in, so, you know, it is what it is. I don't think I need to go any lower than that. I think if I drop that down, I can get it to fit. I'll at least be able to set it in there and take a look at it. Because I got to get a shifter in there. And I can't sit in the seat because it's only resting on the front section. And I don't want to bend it. But, you know, shifter should be somewhere like right here. And I need a little bit of a floor console anyway to get my wiring into the dash because wiring is going to be under here. I don't think I might have enough room for my battery though. But that will be a problem for another day. And I do have the headrests. We can use the headrests. They're not going to block too much of the window. Seat belts, I don't know. Lap belts for sure. I don't think there's anything structurally sound enough to put a shoulder belt in there. I mean, we could try it. But it would have to be way up here and come across. And this is all just thin stuff. It would, in a crash, it would bend. Option B is to start welding up brackets. I could weld up brackets, but that's for something, I'm not worried about seatbelts right now. I'll figure that out when I have to. First, I got to get seats installed. You got to have seats installed before you figure out where seatbelts are going to go. You got to have seats installed before you figure out where your shifter is going to go. Gonna make some sparks. Might be a good time to have the shield on there. If I could find one. But, you know, we'll see.
Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Move me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, I'm chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. Seen you, baby, just the other night. I said, I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here
I'm not bragging. I'm lucky. That's all. I'm only ever lucky. So I'm a little high in the back, but that's fine, because why? I gotta smooth this out. And then I have to I'm probably gonna take that lip off and weld it on. So it looks like it was like that anyway. But I'll have some adjustability in there with my lip. Okay, sand it. So all I did was take the old top off. I sanded the edge so it's not so scratchy. And then if we put our level on it, that's close enough for me. I mean, it's a little high on the front, but that's okay. We've got some more sanding to do. So we're gonna work out square. And I think it's rigid enough. I could put this seat in and take a peek before we do anything else. Let's do that. Ah! It's heavier than I thought. Crooked? Feels a little crooked. Ah! Oh. Hold on. It's not straight. Okay, move it to here. Yes, yes. More. No. Got it. far as that goes. This, I can go. Come on. Oh yeah. It's perfect for me. Seat angle's a little high. Hold on, I'm gonna try something. It's not going to go any further. Wait, it will go further back. Won't it? Oh, yeah. I got a long way to go back. This is high. This corner. Take that. Come on. Take that. Set this all the way down. Oh yeah. Okay, stop. Okay, come on. Oh yeah. It fits flush. I'm good. So good! Of course, the headliner, I don't know how close it's going to be.